Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at diligence.com, a site claiming to sell timeless rings, necklaces, and pearls crafted with elegance and meaning. It sounds lovely, but the real meaning might just be good luck getting what you actually ordered. We did some digging and found that the website was only registered in July 2025, making it newer than the leftovers in the back of your fridge. While being new isn't a crime, having zero history is a massive red flag in the world of online shopping. They're also offering up to 80% off, which is a bit suspicious for supposedly fine jewelry. I mean, if it's truly high-end, they're basically giving it away, which is a business model that usually lasts about as long as this website has. Things get even sketchier when you look at the visuals. A quick reverse image search reveals that most of their product photos were shamelessly lifted from across the internet. It turns out handcrafted is apparently just another way of saying downloaded from Pinterest. To make matters worse, their customer support is limited to a single email address, no phone number, no live chat, and no physical office. It's the perfect setup for when you want to disappear into the digital shadows the moment a customer asks for a refund. They also claim to have served over 10,000 happy customers in 2025 already. That's an impressive feat for a site that's been live for about 5 minutes. But I guess math works differently in the land of make-believe. While their Trustpilot rating sits at 4.2 stars, a lot of those reviews look like they were written by the same very enthusiastic, very robotic person. Actual feedback from real humans is a total mixed bag. Some people were happy with their shiny new trinkets, but others complained about receiving cheap, low-quality items that looked nothing like the photos or arrived in the wrong colors. In short, diligence.com is waving more red flags than a referee at a disastrous football match. With copied images, unrealistic discounts, and questionable transparency, you're basically gambling with your wallet. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that save you from the scammers.